I'm out in the stand right now. It's about 6:30. The woods are just starting to come alive. I finally got enough light to record, so it's pretty muggy here. It's about 65 degrees. But like I said, it's pretty muggy. It's pretty gross out. Hopefully deer will be up and moving soon. We'll see what we got. So good luck in the woods, everyone. About 8:15 now. Pretty slow morning. Haven't really seen anything yet. Just a bunch of squirrels like usual. So we'll be out here till about noon, maybe 1 o'clock, and then we might be back at it tomorrow or Sunday, because I can hunt Sundays here in this zone. So pretty fortunate with that. It's still pretty muggy out. Cooled down a little bit, but it's going to be uncomfortable. I have to drag something out, so keep sticking it out. We're back in the stand today. It's Sunday. I decided to take yesterday off to get some stuff done. It was pretty warm yesterday, so a little cooler out today. I figured today would be the better 2 days to come back out. Nice fog. The woods are just starting to clear up this morning, so no movement yet. A lot of squirrels out. That's just about it. I checked my trail camera yesterday, and the buck ghost that I've been chasing for a while, he went back to being nocturnal. I have one small 4-pointer on camera. He comes around noon, 12:30, so I don't know if I'll do a full day today, but I'll at least stick it out till 12:30, see if I get something coming in here. So should be a good day. about 8:15 now. I finally saw some deer moving around. It looked like a couple doe, but I'm not really too sure because they were off in the distance a little bit. So it gives me hope for today. They're up, they're moving. So hopefully at some point they start working their way in towards where I am. But we'll see what happens. It's still early, you still got plenty of time here in the woods, so things could change. If not, it's gonna be a long day. Monday. It's about 5:30, 5:45 right now. I rushed to my spot after work just to sit for like the last hour to see if anything's gonna walk through. So I'm nervous. I had some deer on cam around last night, so I'm gonna sit for about an hour and hopefully we get something walking through here. So it's still pretty warm out. Sweating from work, so put my scent crusher gear to the test today. We'll see what we got here in a little bit. Well, we're leaving the woods empty-handed again tonight. It's alright though, season's still young. We still got plenty of time to try to bag a deer. So I think I'm going to fall back from this tree stand for the week. Take a little bit of pressure off them and be back at it. Maybe Sunday, be out at this location. Saturday after work, so I won't be able to make it out. So I have a few other areas that I want to head out and scout. If not this week, then next week. They have some promising deer sign I saw while I was small game hunting. So all in all, I feel like it's going to be a good season though. You know, I see a lot of other Connecticut hunters already bagging deer, so that's good. I'm happy for them. Now we just I gotta seal the deal on my end. So hopefully sometime soon it'll happen. Can take 4 deer, so like I said, we got plenty of time to do it. So that's it for this week, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Killstring Outdoors is brought to you by Scent Crusher. Scent off, game on. Upwind odor elimination. Hunt upwind, hunt down odors. Creation Wildlife Supplements. WindPro, the proven whitetail attractant. Common Hunter. Nature's Paint. Disappear with nature. Tacticam. Share your hunt.